Hmm? Oh my god! Ow, well that hurt. What the... 5, what's going on? I don't know, they just kind of appeared. What? There's a rip-off Zent. Clearly, I'm not made for this, so I'm just gonna go back in the hotel and sleep some more. See you guys. Well, whoever these people are, they must be great people.
Where am I? Seriously, can I go home?
I'm not dealing with this today. Since you guys clearly don't like what's going on, let's see the prize. Which the prize goes to Zella. So, yay. Yay? Some better news is your first save too. Along with Fonty at 0 votes. Cool. Anyways, the one escaping the bottom 2 is Blood Sample. Which means that Zora and Acid are in the bottom 2. The one leaving is... Acid, who have officially been eliminated from the competition ASIB. It was not fun having you here.
What? No, I'm meant to be the best. What? You can't do this, it's illegal!
Anyway, I'm safe. That's a good thing overall. Acid definitely deserves that. Hmm? Can I go? Mm-hmm. Liar!
Hey, Fonty, I'm really sorry for what I did, but I hope we can make up. When I eliminated Axe, I was doing it for my chances to win. Not anything personal.
Anyways, I found a random portal, so I'm gonna make you guys go through that as the challenge. Bye.
Excuse me. Why are you here?
You got sent here by a number.
I was just trying to find my Steam gift card so I can get missing Zent. Anyway, I think I must depart. Bye-bye!
Neat. Wait, what the hell? Get out! What is that creature? Hey, this is weird. Is this place weird? So it says for us to get some eggs. I can do that. What about you, Blood Sample? I'll take that as a yes. Anyway, I grabbed the key card thing, so we should probably get going. Hey, Zella, we got the freaking key card thingy, so yeah. Cool! This is dark and eerie. Oh my god, it's a Pila bird from the hit game BANBAN. Kill it! Okay, so another little surprise. It's a double elimination again! Where's the reaction? Swimply nobody cares. Shut up, you dead sack of nothing. Viewers, vote 2 contestants be eliminated next episode. Hey, I'm Amber. I don't think we met. Nice to meet you. So I'm hearing you might win. Yeah.